Hello everyone, this is We Talk Arc. I'm one of your hosts, Julio.
My name is Drea, and today we're going to go to Roosevelt Island and explore the history and architecture of the island.
So join us for this adventure today. So everyone, we're here by the Roosevelt tram. As you can see, it connects and goes to the Queensboro Bridge and is all the way up there by these cables.
Okay, everyone, enjoy the trip.
So as you can see, I'm here at the island, and we saw the rest of the bits and pieces of the island, and that's the asylum that is on the island. Um, so it's just some background historical facts that Roosevelt Island was a Native American property. It belonged to Lenape people before it was colonized, and it used to be called, I might butcher this, Minnehanek, Minnehanek. I'm sorry that I butchered that name terribly. But then it was later renamed Blackwell's Island. It belonged to the Blackwell family. So in 1832, this was the New York City's penitentiary for the prisoners. And then later in 1839, it turned into the Blackwell's Island Lunatic Asylum. So yes, this was a mental asylum. And then 20 decades or so later, in 1856, this was the smallpox hospital. So this was mostly used by just New York City to just put people here. Sadly, prisoners, mentally ill people, and people with disease has smallpox. But yes. So fast forward another century. This was renamed the Roosevelt Island after Franklin D. Roosevelt, one of our famous presidents during the 1930s, and it's been paid homage to him now. And from there, it's just been called Roosevelt Island, and there's a park here called FDR's Four Freedoms Park. So, in honor of him. So, as you can see, this is the asylum. It's so crazy. I don't know why would they put people here in an island. This ain't an asylum. I think it would just make me personally go insane. But it is what it is. It's basically in ruins. How I said before, you're gonna see more of it. But yeah, it's just too crazy for this. But here we go with Victoria for the architecture facts.
So, right now we're seeing Cornell Tech. The name of this building is actually Bloomberg Center. And that building was designed by Morphosis, one of the most famous architecture firms. So one of the coolest things about the building is actually on the facade. So as you can see on the video, the facade wraps around the entire structure. When you look close up, there's little circles, and when you kind of look around the building, you notice that all the circles are rotating in different directions. And actually by doing so, the facade is helping regulate the internal building temperature. And lastly, for this video, the building also comes with many PV panels. So that means that the building also provides its own energy.
Alright everyone, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Comment any future plans or any future buildings you want us to check out. Once again, this is your host Julio.
And my name is Drea.
It's really cold, so I'm just shortening this outro. Peace.